still here, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will do another first impression review for you all. And it will be on the Avon Simply Pretty Color Magic Lipstick. I have mine in the shade Berry Rose. This is given to me by Kim of Kim's Collection 2015. Thank you, Kim, so much for this. Hindi ko alam kung magkano to, but I will do my research and I'll put the price right here. But the lipstick looks like this. I'm pretty sure a lot of you is familiar of the Avon Simply Pretty packaging. So ganyan lang siya, very simple plastic packaging. I have the lipstick on for siguro mga 15-20 minutes now. So hindi siya as in sobrang bongga, pero mas naging vibrant yung kulay. Ano yung kulay? Yung iniisip ko, sasabihin ko color, pero yung sinasabi ng bibig ko, kulay. So parang naging kulay. Anyway, parang yung color niya, parang mas nag-evolve. Ano ba yung mga words na ginagamit ko? Parang mas naging vibrant siya compared sa kanina. But yeah, para makita nyo na, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this on my lips. See, naka-wrap pa talaga siya kasi first time ko pa siyang gamitin. Ah, that smells really good. Oh, okay. Hindi ko in-expect yan. Ganito yung kulay niya. Smells really good. Berry talaga. As usual, wala akong lip balm, but I apply lip balm every night before I sleep. Ooh, very moisturizing. Para siyang, it feels like a lip balm. My lips feels really moisturized, and as you guys can see, parang unti-unti nang nagde-develop yung color chart develop. Hindi ko alam kung anong magiging color niya talaga, yung magic na, diba? So, we'll see. Pero it feels really nice on the lips. Para ka lang nag-apply ng very moisturizing na lip balm. It glided on my lips really smoothly. Gusto ko yung parang may gradient siya naganap. Yung inner part ng lips ko, medyo darker compared sa outer part. I like that. And naaamoy ko pa rin yung berry hanggang ngayon. Smells so good. Okay, feeling ko ito na yung kulay niya, guys. I like it. Parang napaka-fresh lang. I'm really liking it. Parang nag-bleed lang yung lips ko from the inside. Para lang siyang glossy na tint. Ganon. It is now 11:34. I'll get back to you guys later. It is now 3:12 ng hapon and my lips, you guys, 2 beses na ako kumain. I had my lunch, tapos nag-snack na din ako. I also had banana after my lunch. So parang ang dami ng pinagdaanan ng lips ko. My lips still looks really nice. As in, nag-tint na talaga siya. When I was eating, I didn't notice na nag-transfer yung lipstick sa pagkain ko, sa bottle na ininuman ko ng tubig. Yeah, hindi siya nag-transfer at all. Try natin sa kamay. Hindi nag-transfer yung color. So, it's, ano nga ulit yung tawag doon? Kiss-proof, yeah. Medyo downside lang sa kanya. Hindi naman major downside. Parang na-emphasize yung kulubot ng lips ko. Although hindi siya nagsisettle sa lip lines ko. It also feels kind of weird kasi kapag tinouch ko yung lips ko, kapag ginanon ko siya, feeling ko magka-crack siya. Though hindi siya nagka-crack. So medyo merong tightening na nagaganap. At the same time, meron din ako moisture na feel kapag tinatouch ko yung lips ko. Kasi nga, nandun pa rin yung parang lip balm na effect sa kanya. Which is good and kinda bad at the same time. Kasi nga may drying at saka moisturizing na effect at the same time. That is so hard to explain. Pero I still really like the way it looks. I can't say na nag-fade siya. Kasi nag-tint na talaga siya sa lips ko, which is good. So, titingnan natin kung hanggang mamayang gabi, after ko kumain ng marami pang beses, magiging ganito pa rin. Because if that happens, that would be great. It is now 8:45 ng gabi, and on my lips, yung pinakaunang napansin ko when I checked myself is medyo nagka-crack na siya, and meron ako nakikitang dry patches. Ito yung kanina ko pa gustong i-explain na hindi ko ma-explain ng maayos. So ngayon, nawala na talaga yung moisturizing na feeling niya, na kapag na-touch ko yung upper at saka lower lip ko, wala na akong na-feel na parang lip balm na feeling. Yung dryness na lang. Now, nagbibitak-bitak na talaga siya. Like, nakikita ko na nagsisettle siya sa lip lines ko. Though, you guys, yung tint niya, nandun pa rin siya sa lips ko. Now, hindi na siya as vibrant as kanina. Pero, nandun pa rin yung tint. And in fairness ha, even pa rin yung tint niya sa lips. Like, ilang beses na akong kumain, hindi ko na alam ilang beses na akong kumain. Nag-snack ko, ilang beses na ako uminom. The only thing I don't like about this lipstick is nag-dry yung lips ko sa kanya. I will go ahead and reapply the lip balm. Dang, it smells so good. Yeah, you can reapply it really easily, pero hindi talaga nawawala yung mga nagbibitak-bitak mo na lips. Pero kung gusto mo lang ibalik yung lip balm na feeling sa lips mo, like gusto mong i-cover up yung dryness, you can reapply it, and it's very easy to reapply. That's the only downside, drying siya sa lips, but the performance of this lipstick, kung hindi siya drying, this would be the best like lip tint. It's a lipstick, but the performance is like a lip tint to me. But yeah, that's basically it for this review. Please do like this video if you found the video helpful. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you on my next one. Do not forget, vegan. Bye guys!